Ever wondered where the fuse box is located in the 2024 Jeep Compass? Or which fuse controls what? In this video, we'll break down the fuse box diagram and show you exactly where to find it. Stay tuned to avoid any guesswork. Power Distribution Center Fuse Box. The Power Distribution Center fuse box in the 2024 Jeep Compass is located under the hood near the battery. It contains fuses and relays for vital systems like the engine, lights, and infotainment. A fuse box diagram is usually found on the cover or in the owner's manual. The cover is easy to remove without tools for quick fuse inspection and replacement. Rear cargo fuse box. The rear cargo fuse box in the 2024 Jeep Compass is located behind a side panel.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.